Hello everyone. So recently we have made some changes in our bill of material and have provided some new feature. Let me show you what new features are and how it will be helpful to you. Let us go to our production module first of all. On your left hand side you will see production module option. Please click on this. Now once you will come in production module, you need to go in bill of material, and here you need to click on create BOM. So once you will click on create BOM, the UI UX have been changed. So we have provided it in more simpler format so that it will be easy for you to go ahead and define the BOM. Here you can type the bill of material name, that is document name, document number, as because it is on auto, so it is coming. You can click on customize and then after can create another document series, BOM series, or you can keep it on manual as well. Now going below, you can define the stores, in which store the finished good will go, from which store the raw material will come, and where the scrap rejects goods will go. Here you can add an attachment and add description or add comments. So just going below, there is a BOM snapshot. It guides you what you need to do next. Add raw material, add routing, add scrap, add finished good. So going below, you can define your finished good. Also, you can add your item directly while creating bill of material as well. Same goes with your finished good and same goes with your raw material as well. So you can define the raw material, you can define the routing. From here, you can click on manage and then after you can create a new routing, or you can just add an existing routing which you have added. You can define the scrap and other charges. There have been no any changes made in the term of specification or in the term of activity which you were doing earlier. Just the BOM snapshot is a new feature and the simplification of bill of material which will be helpful to you. Let me open one bill of material which I have already created and show you how it look like. So this is one of my bill of material which I have already created. In this, if you will see, there is a BOM snapshot. So here it will define that how much raw material is available in the bill of material, how much processing or scrap is defined, and finished good. So accordingly, if you will go below and check, each and everything is defined: scrap, your routing, and also your raw material along with finished good. Now if I go on the very top on your right hand side, you can click on view bill of material cost and can check your BOM cost as per average, FIFO, latest, default. Also you can download this BOM cost. Now here is the edit and save, copy, print option and download option. So instead of other action, we have provided these options outside of BOM. You can very well go ahead and click on edit and save and edit the bill of material, copy it or print it or download it in Excel format. I hope this new bill of material format will be helpful to you, and also bill of material snapshot will be helpful to you while checking the BOM. Have a good day ahead.